Are you playing it safe instead of going after your dreams? Check this out, it may help.
This right here is the reason why only 1% of the population is rich. On average, people tend to skew towards loss aversion. This means that people would rather play it safe and protect what they have instead of risking it for a bigger win. Human beings experience losses asymmetrically more severely than equivalent gains. Losing $10 is exponentially more impactful to your emotional state than winning $10, although the sum is the same. Here's what a loss aversion chart looks like. Because people are so scared of losing what they have, they default to eliminating themselves out of the game completely, leaving all the rewards to those willing to go after them and win. This is one of the main reasons why the general wealth is being accrued by a handful of individuals.
And now you know, you cannot play it safe anymore if you want to be wealthy and prosperous. If you don't want to be, you can continue to be, hesitant and not to be all in. But if you want to hit your goals and achieve your dreams, there is no alternative. You have to be all in. You cannot procrastinate anymore. You have to be decisive and to go after your goals and dreams. And I wish you the very best, my friend. Stop procrastinating and go with everything you've got within you after your goals and dreams. And I'll see you at the top.